Hey guys, another video here. I'm going to be showing you how to back up your Synology NAS. This is very important because a lot of people use these Synology NASs and don't realize that, okay, let's say they got 4 hard drives and they put it in the RAID 5 or whatever RAID they might have done, and then let's say 2 drives fail and then they just lost all their data. And a lot of people don't realize that and that they need to actually back up that data even though it's redundant on multiple drives. So what I'm going to show you today is plugging in a 8 terabyte Western Digital external drive, and what we're going to do with that is back up our Synology data to that drive, like our settings. Maybe if we have a couple apps running, like something like a Dropbox, or for example, I have the surveillance station app installed, and I have tons of video files from all my surveillance cameras that I want to back up. So if I ever need to restore anything, if my Synology, God forbid, crashes, I have multiple drives failure. At least I can recover from something because I also have servers backing up to this NAS. So if the NAS fails, and the server fails, which the chance of that is very unlikely, but it could happen. I want to make sure I have another location where the backups are going to. So you can see I have the DS1815 Plus, the 8-bay NAS, but you can literally do this on any NAS. Doesn't matter what model it is, as long as it's a Synology. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Start menu here, go to Package Center, load that up. I'm going to expand that. Go to All Packages and go to Backup. Just easier to find that. And we are looking for the Hyper Backup. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Depending on your internet connection, it's just going to download it here real quick. And it's already installing. That was pretty quick. And I like this because not only you can just do a local backup, but you can link up, you can send your backup to an Amazon S3 bucket. You can send it to Azure. I think Dropbox is now supported. So it's pretty cool. So it's installed. I'll go ahead and hit open. And close that out. You get this backup wizard. So what we're going to be doing is you can actually do another, let's say you have 2 Synologies, you can, but I would use the replication for that. But in this instance, we're going to use the local folder in USB since it's a local external. As you can see, when you plug in an external, you get this little icon here, and you can see we got 2 external drives plugged in right now. And they're actually 2 10 terabyte drives that are plugged in, not 8 terabyte. So we're going to go ahead and click on local folder and USB. And to get back to this, the remote NAS is nice because if you have a second NAS, you can actually, instead of backing up to an external, you can just back up to another NAS, which is nice. So, but we're going to do a local folder to USB. So hit next. And just to show you one thing, so if you scroll down, you can see it supports a lot of cloud services: Google Drive, Dropbox, like I said before, Amazon Drive, S3 storage, which is nice. But we're going to do the local folder. And we're going to select, create a backup task. So the shared folder, so backup destination, which is we're going to do our 10 terabyte external drive, which is the USB share 1. And then we're going to choose what we're going to back up. So I have a couple folders here. I'm going to just back up my StorageCraft because that is basically all, like I said, I have those servers that are backing up all that data using that StorageCraft software to this NAS. So if this NAS crashes, I don't have any of those backups from 4 or 5 years ago that keep on constantly backing up. So we're going to select StorageCraft. For me, you might, yours might be the surveillance, or it might be some of your other apps that you have on here, or another shared folder that you might have some data on that you want to back up. So just select whatever you want to back up. Hit next. Now this is nice because here I just select all of them because this is going to be backing up all the settings, profiles, anything that you customize. So you want to back up all of those as well. So go ahead and hit next. And then make sure enable tasks, local storage. I'm just going to do local storage 10 terabyte external. Then I do want to do daily integrity check. Yeah, you want to do that once a week. That's fine. So everything else is pretty standard. So hit next. Backup rotation. So that's going to keep how many versions you want of backups. So you definitely want to enable this. And the defaults are probably pretty good. So we can go and hit next on this. Or apply. And it's going to ask us, do you want backup now? We're going to hit yes. And then there you have it. Now you are backing up that shared folder to your external drive. So this is definitely going to save you if your main Synology crashes, fails, God forbid if anything happens. This is just another redundant option that you probably want to have in place if you cannot lose that data. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you have any more ideas or on videos I should be doing, that would be helpful too. Leave a comment. That would be great. All right, man. See you guys later.